Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account in Zoom. So first go to zoom.com, then here Meet and download app. Here download the app whether you are on Apple Silicon or Intel. I have this app downloaded, so I will open it real quick. And when you download it and install it, first click on sign up right here. Here Zoom will tell you what will you get in your basic account and you will have to enter your birth year. Then simply press continue. Now you have two options. You can either sign up with your email address or with these tools: Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple. So choose which one do you want to sign up with. I want to sign up with my email, so I will type my email right here and press continue. Now check your email for a verification code that is sent. As you can see, you should get email like this, and just select the verification code and copy it. Then go back to Zoom and paste your verification code by Command V. Then click verify. Now you will have to insert your first name, last name, and create your password. Then press continue. Press continue again and then press OK. And now you have successfully created your account in Zoom. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.